Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Pull up the fastening latch of the plus terminal to disconnect it. To take off the battery cover, take the tab on the cover and pull it upwards carefully. Pull up the fastening latch on the negative terminal to disconnect it. Using a socket wrench, a long extender and a 10mm socket, unscrew the fastening plate of the battery and remove it. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Putting the battery in place can be a little tricky, so you need to stay focused. Rest assured, we have just the tip to make it that little bit easier. Take a piece of paper towel and fold it in fours. Lay it flat on the socket, then insert the head of the nut, forcing it into the socket. Magic! It holds all by itself. By only using the extension, you will be able to screw the fastening plate back in place. Delicately, push it back in by lightly pressing on the battery to correctly position it. As usual, start by hand, and for the final turns to tighten the screws, insert a wrench into the extension, block it and remove the paper towel. Put the fastening latch on the negative terminal. Ensure that the terminal has been fully inserted as much as possible. Put the battery cover back on and finish locking the fastening latch on the positive terminal. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.